Hello, I wanted to show you how to draw a scatter plot in Tableau. So this is a Tableau desktop. Um, I'm gonna switch to RStudio, and this is the graph that I wanna draw in Tableau. Basically, this graph shows on the x-axis life expectancy and on the y-axis infant mortality with different countries, and each dot is shown with the different colors which represents countries with a linear model. Moving back to Tableau, first we want to connect or load the data set. So I am going to open File, Open, and then since it's in a CSV file, so it's all files, it's going to show my data set, and country test.csv is my data set that I want to load. Open. So here with different headers, Tableau has loaded the data set with country, life expectancy, and infant mortality. Also, the good thing about Tableau is it automatically assigns the data type. Now for the country it's string, for life expectancy it's number or decimal, and for infant mortality it's number and decimal as well. So once the data has been imported, then we want to go to the workspace of Tableau, and for that we would go to sheet 1, click that, and then this is what a workspace for Tableau looks like. Here you can see a dimension and measures. Now dimensions are categorical or discrete variables, whereas measures are continuous variables. So Tableau has automatically assigned country as a discrete, and then infant mortality and life expectancy as a continuous variables. Now if you want to change it, you can change it by right clicking, and there is an option to change the or not right clicking but clicking this arrow, and then you can convert it to discrete or other data types. But anyways, so here we have column shelf and a row shelf. So row shelf is where you're going to tell Tableau literally what to do with the rows of the data, and how your how you're gonna aggregate over them. And the column shelf is where you're gonna show Tableau how to break up your data and what categories to put in. So I'm gonna drag the infant mortality in the rows column. Here, as you can see, there is this, because of this is just one variable, and I'm gonna drag life expectancy in column variable. Now with this you can only see one dot, which is gives the sum of all the life expectancy and infant mortality total. Now when we drag the country variable to the marks card with colors, then it splits all the different countries, and here as you can see all the countries. The good thing about the Tableau is you don't have to write codes like you do in R for representing each countries. It's also on your right hand side, it shows all the countries with color, like in R here in Tableau. So how to add a trend line? Just right click on the graph, go to trend line and show trend lines, and this is how it shows trend line. And once you hover over to this line, it shows the p-value, r squared, and the y is equal to mx plus c formula. So basically this is how you draw a scatter plot in Tableau.